Let's try one more. Mm. He's waiting for me to move my bishop so he can move his. See? That was my whole plan, was really to... Now he wants to go here. That's fine. Let's see. I can go here. Hmm. Hmm. I could go here now. No, because he's got... No, I've got my knight there. I think I'll take out his bishop. I think I'll just take out his bishop. I'll have a passed pawn. I'll have a passed pawn to work with. I got a passed pawn. Yeah, if I go here, he take. I'll have to take. I can go here, here, and here. Putting pressure on this guy. I can get this one, and I can take. So I can take here. I formed the Iron Cross. I'm so worried about getting like back rank checkmated because I have. Oops. With check, baby. With check. With check. We went super aggressive and we won. 2450. Got our pass pawn. Sneaking in. We're sneaking in. That was a mistake too. Let me in. He let my queen in. Now now he's just in trouble. He's pushing. Oh boy. Mm. He wants to keep the pressure on this pawn so much. It's over. He has to go rook. He has to go there. He missed that. I told you. I told you my back rank was really weak. He had to. He had to find this. I had to find this. And then he's gonna go e3. This is an obvious hit right there. Now we're safe. He's still got a lead though. He's got that last pawn. Well, we'd have to find that. We would have to find that. We can't go here and win the queen. Damn, this would be nasty. Uh-oh. The bot is vicious. The bot is just vicious. Oh, it's a stalemate. Mm. The bot is vicious. Look, it just was a draw the whole way until splat. It was pretty much a draw the whole way. Mmm. Mmm. He needed to take a lot more time. He would have probably found this. Queen, queen high, and I lose. Instead, he gives me 3 wins in a row. Never give up. We got him. We owned this. We owned this whole side, so these would have been scooped up. I'm sure. I'm sure I would have scooped those up eventually, unless you know he just held us there. I could see that happening. What's our? We lost a lot last night. No, we only lost two there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 2 draws and 2 losses. These 2 losses sucked. Yeah.